چطوری؟ خوبم مرسی. تو چطوری؟
Hi everyone. So I made something in Farsi. If you want to make a similar thing, follow the steps and you can make your own conversation. So here, let's look at this one more time. I click the cat and the cat starts speaking.
سلام چطوری؟ خوبم مرسی. تو چطوری؟
And then the dog responds. So let's see how we can make something like this. So I'm using the website scratch.mit.edu. Let me start over. So I'm gonna just sign out. So this is the website you can use and it's free, and you can just type the address in the address bar and then click start creating. And you will get this. These are tutorials. We don't need them for now. Let's close. And then you will get the cat character. So we can use this one. And then we can add the other character from here. Choose a sprite. And we can click animals and we will see all the animals. I use this dog. So there's a dog and a cat. So the cat wants to say hello in Farsi, which is Salam. Salam. Let me write it here. So if you right click, you can add comments here. Let me write Salam. Salam means hello in Farsi. So this one we don't need. It was just for you to see how we say Salam, how we say hello in Farsi. So then the next thing we want to do is to record our sound. So let's go here and here, choose a sound, and then we want to scroll up and record. So if it's the first time, it may ask you to give permission to use the recording, and then you just allow and start working. So mine is ready. I'm gonna record. Salam. So we say something and start. Let's re-record. So we need to click this button and then click stop. So let's do this. Salam. And then we need to stop and then grab where you see the sound wave. It's where we have our voice, and then you can drag the handles, grab the sound wave and save. And here you can rename your sound. Salam, salam, or hello. You can rename it to remember what you say. And if you play salam, you can hear it again. Let's make this faster.
سلام.
So the cat says salam. And every character has a default sound. This one is here. If you select it and play it, it's gonna have the cat sound. And this is the second one, salam.
سلام.
We want to go back to this tab, and here I added something like when I click the cat, it will say salam. So to do that, we go to this yellow circle, grab this one, and put it in the center. And then we want to go to the sound circle and grab this one. And now when I click the cat, look what will happen.
سلام.
And we can look at it full screen view, and when I click the cat,
سلام.
it says salam. And also we can add this speech bubble from here, from looks. We can make it say something. And let's do the same thing. When this sprite clicked, say salam or hello. Okay, look at this.
سلام.
You can type salam or hello.
Salam.
And let's make the dog answer the cat. So first of all, the dog is not looking to this side. Let's select the dog sprite and then go here to the costumes tab and then flip the dog. Now they are looking at each other. So the next thing is we want the dog to say salam. Salam. You can change your voice a little bit if you want, or you can ask your friends or someone else to say it. Let's save and let's make it slower to be something different.
Salam.
That's funny. Now, and also this sprite has another sound, the default one. Okay. Let's go back to this tab and we want the dog to answer. So first let's do something. Let's go to cat. And when the cat says salam, we want it to send this message to dog and to the dog and to dog. And the dog will get it. So when dog receives the message, let's do this. When dog receives the message, it's gonna play the sound. We didn't rename this, so it's called recording 1. Okay, let's see if this will work. So I click the cat.
Salam.
Salam.
And this one plays the second sound, but also we want to add the speech bubble that makes it more fun. So we want to do the same thing when I receive message 1. We want to add a text bubble and say Salam. You can add another one. So after the Farsi one, you can also add the translation. So it will be like this. Let's see it if on full screen view.
Salam.
Salam.
There you go. So this is a kind of annoying that the text bubble appears here. We want it to be next to the head, so we can go inside the costume and select everything by dragging a selection around the dog and moving it here. Let's see if this will help.
Salam.
Salam.
Much better. And then the cat is gonna say, Chetori, how are you? Let's go to sound and record Chetori. How are you? Chetori. Let's re-record. Chetori. We can add this one, like we can add maybe after salam, like the cat can say, hi, how are you? So let's do this. Okay, let's do this. So recording this one and this one. Okay, and then we want to add a speech bubble here. Chetori. Let's see if this will work. So the cat will say Salam Chetori. It will be easier. We could make it like Salam and this other one says Salam and then this one asks, how are you? But also the cat can say Salam Chetori. Hi, how are you? Let's click it.
Salam.
Chetori. Oh my gosh. The sound
Salam.
The sounds are not the same. Let's see if we can make them as fast as the second one faster.
چطوری؟ سلام. چطوری؟
And if you want to add the sound effect, you can add this one at the end or in the beginning. So just grab the sound and put it here and change the name, like change the sound to meow.
سلام. چطوری؟
سلام.
And the dog can say, Salam, خوبم, merci. خوبم, I'm good. Let's record خوبم. Now we have selected the dog and we want to say خوبم, I'm good. خوبم, merci. I'm good, thanks. And we can make it slow.
خوبم. مرسی.
They're not very similar, are they?
سلام. خوبم. مرسی.
I have to say it like the first one. Let's re-record. خوبم, merci. I don't know if it's good.
خوبم. مرسی.
So I will use this one. خوبم, I'm good. Good. It's a good idea to rename our sounds. Thanks. So, here.
سلام. چطوری؟
سلام.
So we need to add the rest of it. So after salam, we need to play I'm good, thanks. And also we can add the text. Right. I'm good, thanks. Like خوبم, merci. خوبم. خوبم, I'm good. Merci. Merci. Thanks. And if you want, you can add the English right here or grab another one, put it here and write the English one. I'm good. Thanks.
سلام. چطوری؟
سلام. خوبم. مرسی.
تو چطوری? Let's see. We want to ask, how are you? So the dog needs to say تو چطوری. Let's do this. تو چطوری? تو, you. چطوری? How are you? Like, how are you? I'm saving it, making it.
تو چطوری؟
How are you? So چطوری and تو چطوری both means how are you. So let's write, how are you? How are you? تو چطوری? So we need to add this one to the dog's sounds. If you click this, you will hear
سلام.
everything.
خوبم. مرسی. تو چطوری؟
And let's add, how are you? تو چطوری? And if you want to play it, like have it more than 2 seconds, like display it more than 2 seconds, you can change the number here. Let's say 3 seconds. So let's hear the conversation one more time. And we want to click the cat to start.
سلام چطوری؟
سلام خوبم مرسی تو چطوری؟
So the texts are coming after, like the sounds are playing faster, so we can make the text a little bit go faster. Like we can do it like 1 second, and the English ones we will make less. 1, and then I'm good. Let's make it 1. This may be better. Let's hear it one more time.
سلام چطوری؟
سلام خوبم مرسی تو چطوری؟
So we can add a wait time before it plays to چطوری. I'm good, thanks, to چطوری. So we can grab a wait time from here. Control and wait. I'm good, thanks. And then let's wait a little bit and say to چطوری. Hopefully it's good. And let's go here to grab a background. I used the concert. So if you click the background, it gets selected. You can select any other background you like. And you can scroll down and see the library of the backgrounds. You can put them anywhere you like.
سلام چطوری؟
سلام خوبم مرسی تو چطوری؟
The wait time was not enough. We can add more. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And let's more time.
سلام سلام چطوری؟
سلام خوبم مرسی تو چطوری؟
Wait. تو چطوری comes very late. تو چطوری? Let's do this and let's get rid of this one. We should play it faster. But yeah, adjust the timings and it will be good. So yeah, that was the conversation. And if you liked it, let me know. I'll make more. See you next time. خداحافظ. Goodbye.